So today I have Oppo's Pad Air, which is latest launch from Oppo in the tablet category. In this video, I'm going to cover the entire unboxing and also show you all the benefits that this tab has. Hit the subscribe button now because we are starting right away. So I have been looking to buy a tab for myself for a very long time. I have been without a tab for almost 2 years. I was considering buying the Apple iPad mini. However, this thing caught my attention and I'll tell you why. So let us quickly unbox and see what we have got. So basically we have the tablet, obviously. We then have the USB data cable, which is a C-type. We have a charger, which is an 18-watt charger, and an ejector tool. Now let's talk about the build quality. When I first held the tab in my hand, I really felt something really premium. When you talk about the weight, it just weighs 440 grams. The thickness is just 6.94 mm. I really love the bezel that they have given. It is nice, flat and matte finish, and moreover the texture that you can see here, it is called as the sand dune texture, as they say. This is also excellent for a good grip. Moreover, it is fingerprint free. One thing that comes to your mind when you're buying a gadget, specifically a tab, is the display, which is very important when you're buying a tab, because that makes all the difference. Like, I consume so much of content on YouTube and other platforms, Amazon Prime, everything. For me, the display is very important, and I am very impressed with the display that this particular tab has. Let me talk to you about what it has to offer. Basically, it has a 10.36-inch screen and has a 2K screen along with eye care display. Talking about the pixel, it is 2000 by 1200 and delivers vibrant colors. When you talk about the brightness level, it has 2048 level of brightness level, which is amazing. Screen to body ratio is 85.5%, which is really remarkable. Talking about the pixel density, it has 225 pixels per inch. Brightness is 360 nits and it comprises of a panel which is LCD IPS. Now, what is a good display without a good sound? The tab comprises of Dolby Atmos. When I was browsing to the tab, I found a clip which was pre-installed, and when I played the clip, it was amazing. The kind of feel it gave me was actually Dolby Atmos. One thing that I really loved is that it has two speakers on each side, two here and two here. Now that gives you an amazing sound experience. Even if you're in a noisy environment, you can hear the audio loud and clear. Each speaker is around 1 watt each, so you're getting approximately 4 watt of audio output. One thing that I found is missing is the 3.5 mm jack, but these days we are all using TWS, which is a true wireless sound, so I think that will make up for it. So we spoke about the display, we also spoke about sound. Now battery is equally important as well, because when you're traveling you really need that juice. So Oppo has packed a 7100 mAh battery in this tab, which allows you to watch around 12 hours of video, and 15 hours of video calling is what Oppo claims. Moreover, it comes with an 18-watt charger for a super quick charging. Talking about the processing speed that this tab has, it is basically powered with a Qualcomm 6nm 8-core Snapdragon processor. You have all the action you can ask for gaming, for streaming, for multitasking. One thing I would like to tell you that I also played 4K videos on this tab by transferring them on the SD card, and they played seamlessly. Moreover, I also played videos on Amazon Prime, Hotstar and all these streaming platforms, and I did not find any kind of lag in the video playback, nor there was any kind of quality deterioration. So when you talk about the camera capabilities, I was not very impressed, because it is just packed with the 8 megapixel camera, the rear camera. It records video at 180p and at 30 fps, has an aperture of 2.0, field of view is 80 degrees. Talking about the selfie camera, it is a 5 megapixel camera. Again, it records video at 180p at 30 fps. The aperture is f2.2 and the field of view is 77 degrees. So it's okay. I mean, either ways, tabs are not meant for photography. Now when it comes to the storage or the memory, there are two variants basically. You have an internal memory of 64 GB and 4 GB of RAM, and another variant is 128 GB of space and 4 GB RAM. You can also insert a micro SD card which is supported up to 256 GB. Now if we talk about the connectivity part, it is equipped with the WLAN, Wi-Fi dual band, Wi-Fi direct hotspot, also has a Bluetooth of 5.1 version, A2 DP, LE aptX HD. It also has a USB Type-C 2.0 for charging the device on the go. So what about the operating system? It is loaded with the Android 12 Color OS, which is pretty unique and pretty fresh. You can do a lot of multitasking, you can do split window if you're working and also watching YouTube. You can make your notes and also watch videos, which I do most of the time. Oppo has introduced biometrics in the tab, so basically you can also activate or you can open your screen by facial recognition, but in low light condition it is not that responsive. Talking about the buttons and the port, you have a power button right on top. On the right hand side, as you can see, you have the volume up, volume down button, and here you have the SD card which you can eject with this ejector. I'm pretty sure all the gamers out there are very inquisitive to know that how is this tab when it comes to gaming. I'm not quite a gamer on a tab because I use PlayStation for my gaming, but when I installed Asphalt 9 and I played it at full setting, I did not find any kind of a lag or any kind of issues. It played perfectly fine. You can try and download some other games which are high end and you can see it for yourself. Now then, my final conclusion for this review video is that price is just 15,999. In fact, in a recent sale on Flipkart, I got this at 12,960. It also supports a stylus, excellent for daily browsing. For content creators, you can also dump some footage and edit your reel, do your research. Immersive sound, brilliant display. Only thing is lagging is the camera, but that is not really a concern. My overall rating for this tab would be 4.2 upon 5. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Do let me know in the comment box below which is the USP that you like most about this tab, and do subscribe to our channel before you leave.